You're watching the Weiss channel. Okay, today we're gonna do some word problems with trig. Oh man, no, let's go this way. Okay, so check it out. Right? The angle of elevation to a nearby tree from a point on the ground is measured to be 65. Angle of elevation, right? So the thing, angle of elevation, it's going upward, right? So the angle of elevation is 65, and here's my tree. Isn't that a nice tree, right? How tall is the tree if the point on the ground is 92 feet from the tree? 92 feet from the tree. So 65, this is opposite, this is adjacent, so we're going to use tan. Tan 65 equals x over 92, right? Cross multiply, x equals 92 tan 65. X equals 197.29. Easy. An electrician leads an extension ladder against the outside wall of a house so that it reaches an electric box 23 feet up. Okay, look. Here's my house. Here's my ladder. 23 feet up. That little black box is my electric box. Okay. The ladder makes an angle of 75 degrees with the ground. Find the length of the ladder. Round to the nearest hundredth. Okay. So 75 degrees. This is opposite. That's hypotenuse, right? That's sine. Sine 75 equals 23 over x. Got to divide sine 75. 23 divided by sine 75, 23.81. Easy. DeAndre wants to use a sheet of fiberboard 21 inches long to create a skateboard ramp with a 24-degree angle of elevation from the ground. Okay, here's my 21-inch board. Here's my 24-degree angle of elevation, right? How high will the ramp rise from the ground at its highest end? Right there, at the end. How high is that? Okay. So, once again, I have opposite and hypotenuse. Got to use sine. Sine 24 equals x over 21. X equals 21 sine 24 gives you 8.5 as you're rounding to the nearest tenth. Please be careful. If you're rounding to the nearest tenth, then you want one digit after the decimal. If you're rounding to the nearest hundredth, then it's 2 digits. Okay? Read the question carefully. Rashad leans a 16-foot ladder against the wall so that it forms an angle of 61 degrees with the ground. Okay, here's my ladder, 16 feet. Here's my 61-degree angle. How high up the wall does the ladder reach? So there's my x. Easy. Again, we're using sine. Sine 61 equals opposite over hypotenuse, x over 16. So x equals 16 sine 61, which gives you 13.99. You've been watching the Weiss channel.